Welcome back to Everyday Diesel. I'm your host, Jordan. More work on the Mega Cab today. In this video, we are going to be getting rid of these units in favor of this box right here. Alpharex Headlights. 5th gen style, I don't know. We're going to unbox them here in a minute. These are factory projector headlights, 4th gen, found on 2013 to 2018 trucks. Gonna do a little video here of removing and replacing these. Shouldn't be too crazy of a job. I've actually had these for a while, just been procrastinating on getting it done. But so yeah, first thing that I know we're gonna need to do is take off this. Whether you have this aftermarket aluminum cover like I do, or the factory like plastic rubber style one, needs to come off. Then the grill will need to come out, and I think once the grill is out, you're ready to just take the headlights out. I think once the grill is out, most of the bolts or fasteners are available from the front here. There is one, I believe, under this flap. I believe that's the one. We'll see. Again, over here on the gooseneck, this is from Alpharex USA. Not sponsored, by the way. Paid full price, as I should. I'm not pretending like I'm somebody special here. So I'm gonna get these unboxed, check them out. Okay, I got the driver headlight out. Now, I'm going to say these next few things for people that have factory projectors. So when you take the light off, you're going to have one plug and one plug only that you're going to unplug. Because back of your stock headlight, everything is sealed except for the one connector. You don't have multiple connectors to worry about. I'm going to try to explain this the best I can, so hopefully this helps somebody, because I couldn't find anything on YouTube. So, factory harness right here. This is the harness that comes with the headlights if you have a factory projector 4th gen truck. Gray, yellow, and red wire lead comes out to a plug. And you can see the blue, white, and black wires come out to a plug. So your blue, black, and white plug, follow it, blue, black, and white, that goes into the headlight portion of the Alpharex headlights. So that powers your headlights, highs and lows. This one, the red, the red, yellow, and gray, it comes over and it goes into this piggyback. So coming out of the Alpharex headlight is this harness, which goes into here. It immediately comes back, and what you're going to do is you're going to plug that into the turn signal portion of the Alpharex headlight, and then the other side goes into here. Now, these are the same plugs. This will plug into here, here will plug into here, here will plug into, it's all, you see what I'm saying? So once you get it down, it's actually pretty obvious. Now, to get daytime running lights, meaning without having your knob turned on, you want to be able to have these white lights on all the time, there is a daytime running light harness, which looks like this. So this will be like driver's side, and this one's longer for passenger side, and basically it's just one wire. And that will plug into that white single wire that you just saw poking out of that headlight. Does some magic in this box. Then you basically, from the way I read it, you ignore the yellow wire. Convenient. This goes into the fuse box under the hood. It tells you, well, it doesn't tell you. You have to look up which one is the best one to use, or just use your best judgment. And then a power and a ground. So, you know, unfortunately, got to put some wires on your battery if you want that. I am currently debating if I even want to mess with this, because in my opinion, I don't mind if I want to be all bougie and have these on during the day. I don't mind flipping my switch in the cab to the daytime running light portion. The truck beeps at you if you forget that on, and you just got to remember to turn it back to off. Auto is obviously what would be desired, but I don't know. I kind of don't want to run all those extra wires in my engine bay. So I think we're going to leave it like this and get this installed, because that's looking good. And here, real quick, I'll do a little sneak peek. Turn signal on, and they switch back to all amber, of course. And then turn signal off. And back to the daytime running light white. So, decent. Let's stuff all these wires back in here and get this done. Little side-by-side action. Got this side installed. Factory doesn't look horrible. It's just a lot of amber. And the single projector just, I don't know. The factory projector Ram headlights to me look kind of eBay-ish. And the aftermarket headlights to me don't look very eBay-ish. I don't know. I like them. Okay, headlight install complete. Not too bad. They are, I mean, it took me about an hour to put this in. I started about, I think it was around 7:30, and now it's 8:30, 8:40, I think. So, still got to put the grill on, put the top plate on, but an hour and trying to make videos, it's not bad. I like the way they look. This truck does have chrome on it. Factory chrome mirrors, factory chrome trim, some KG122s. The bumpers are not paint matched. The grill is not paint matched, but I went ahead and went with the black housing. Clear lights though. There's no smoking on these lights at all. No smoking on the lens either. I don't think it looks bad. See what it looks like in the daytime with the lights off, but and then with the lights on, I think it looks pretty killer. All right. They do the little sequence. Turned out pretty good. That 5th gen style running light look. And then of course, still some good LED projectors for headlights. Not too shabby. That'll do it for this video. Thank you for watching this one. Hopefully this helps you if you're looking to install some Alpharex or maybe any aftermarket headlight for your 13 to 18 4th gen Ram with factory projector headlights. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.